Hey everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tours. In today's video, we are sharing our overnight experience at the Grand Legacy at the park. The Grand Legacy is located 4/10 of a mile or 463 meters to the gates of Disneyland. It takes about 7 minutes to walk there. Upon arriving at the Grand Legacy, we were warmly greeted by the valet staff, and the valet staff is there only for the 5th restaurant and rooftop bar. We were directed to park in a check-in area temporarily, and when I walked in to check into the hotel, I was checked into our room quickly and efficiently, and all my questions were answered.
Up next is property conditions. Now, we have stayed at the Grand Legacy lots of times and also back when it was the Ramada Main Gate, so we knew going in that the parking lot was going to be tighter than we usually like. When we say tight, this means before Jim parks in a parking spot, he has the rest of us exit the vehicle, so only he has to squeeze out of the car once he's parked in the spot. That's how tight the spots are. So if you have a larger car or you're really particular about your car, just know that ahead of time that it is a little bit tighter at this particular hotel. The luxury room we stayed in is in the brand new tower, and that is a hotel style tower, meaning the corridors are inside and it's connected to the lobby, and the 5th rooftop bar is at the very top. Now, they only have one elevator for this particular tower, and so it is a little slow at peak times. We noticed it more in the evening when the 5th was open, but the good thing is the elevator is quite big, so you could squeeze a lot of people in if need be. Now on to the room. We were really impressed with this room. It was super clean. We did the dust test and it passed. There was no random hair in the bathroom or anywhere else. It was very clean and everything in the room worked as it should. Up next is room comfort and noise. Like I had said previously, we stayed in a luxury room, which is a hotel style. The rest of the property is motel style, where the corridors are outside. This being said, we were a little worried because we had read a lot of reviews about the 5th being noisy, and they did warn us when we booked, and also again reminded us when we checked in that it could be noisy and to just call the front desk and let them know, and they could call up and have them reduce the music down to a lower level. But we did not experience any of the noise from the 5th. I'd say this room is probably the quietest stay that we have ever had. Now, that being said, we were on the 2nd floor, so we were the furthest away you could get from the 5th, but we faced the parking lot and the pool, so away from Harbor Boulevard. We didn't hear any car alarms, we didn't hear any road noise, any loud exhaust, any people in the hallway. It was one of our best night's sleeps that we've ever had in Anaheim. Now, on to comfort. The beds were super comfortable. We'd say they are maybe a step above a Best Western or a Holiday Inn, and we had a great night's sleep on the beds. And also, me being the picky pillow person, I enjoyed the pillows. They were just fine, and I had a great night's sleep.
The Grand Legacy has many amenities, and we're going to first start off with the pool. The pool is a zero-entry heated pool, which is great for toddlers. When we stayed there, when our boys were toddlers, they absolutely loved that pool. And there is a small splash pad off to the side. The rooms do come with free Wi-Fi, have a microwave, a refrigerator. There is on-site laundry. Additionally, there is the 5th rooftop bar, and reservations are highly recommended. We were lucky and we went up to the 5th and said, hey, can we please get squeezed in? We're staying at the Grand Legacy, and thankfully they accommodated us. The Grand Legacy also has some shops in the front, so it's kind of like a food court, and there's a number of different places you can grab some food there, and Tony Roma's is right next door.
Who would want to stay here? Families or groups that want to be really close to the park and still want a hotel style room. We've noticed that the prices can vary quite a bit at the Grand Legacy, and we mean just by date and also by the hotel room type. So we highly recommend that you check out their website and join their mailing list, because they email me almost once a week with really great discounts that they're having, and who doesn't want a discount? So I suggest signing up for their mailing list if you're thinking about staying there.
If you missed our room tour of the Grand Legacy, go ahead and click the link here. Right below it is the walk from the Grand Legacy to Disneyland. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.